Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today made an ardent appeal that the judicial inquiry set up by the state government to probe in all the aspects that led to the killing of surrendered HNLC Charista Field Thank You should be allowed to function before taking action on the police personnel into the unfortunate Maulai Kinton Masar incident on the 13th of this month. Speaking to the media after holding a meeting with the headmen of Maulai, including leaders of NGOs, Sangma said the people of Maulai in the memorandum submitted to him today demanded that police personnel involved in the killing of Thank You should be immediately suspended. The Chief Minister said that on his part he has requested that the inquiry committee should be allowed to function and also to give its report before actions are against any of the individuals involved in the reading of the residents of the surrendered HNLC.
Mentioned about different actions being taken, so we will look into that aspect. We told them that the government will examine all options and the government will take a call. So we have asked them to leave that to the wisdom of the government. But as I said, that the judicial inquiry has been set up and we are confident that very soon the report will come. And based on that report, we will take necessary action. Well, apart from that, they have also mentioned about the fact that in the future, these kind of raids or this kind of operations should be done in close coordination with also the headmen. So we have informed all of them that yes, accordingly, appropriate procedures will always be followed, and in the future also we will ensure that more steps are taken in order to take people into confidence in such cases in the future also. And at the end, we have appealed to the headmen and all the leaders who have come from different organizations that they must work together with the government, because it is in the interest, large interest of the people of Shillong city and the state as a whole that we have peace, and we should all work together to move forward to ensure that there is peace in the city and in the state. Regarding the issue of action against the individuals who are involved, we have informed all the members that a judicial inquiry has been set up, and this judicial inquiry will look into all the details of this particular incident that took place on 13th, and we have asked the Meghalaya government to us. Only when we find out the details, only then will it be able to identify who were responsible for what action, and only then will it be possible for us to take action in terms of suspension or any other kind of extreme order or action that has to be taken, and that the government is committed to doing that. But once the judicial inquiry report comes in giving us all details of the case.